Hi, my name is Katie. I'm a museum educator and volunteer coordinator at the Hastings Museum. In today's Museum Minute, we are going to be making a nebula in a jar. Nebulae are giant clouds full of dust and gas, and it's where stars are born. A nebula is formed when a supergiant star explodes or when a star runs out of fuel and pushes its outer layers into space. One of the best well-known examples is the nebula in Orion called the Great Nebula. Today, when we make our nebula in a jar, we're going to have a product that looks like this. The materials needed are cotton balls, a clear container with a lid, glitter, food coloring, and cups full of water. The first thing you're going to do is put your food dye into your different cups. The more color variation you get, the more rainbow you'll have. If you do a lot of blues, they'll kind of meddle together, and your nebula will be one big color. Once you've done that, you're going to take your clear jar, pour in a little bit of one color. For added effects, we like to add glitter. You could skip this step if you wanted. Now to add the giant clouds, you'll take your cotton balls and you're going to spread them out really thin, otherwise you get a lot of clumps in your jar. Once it's spread out, you'll place it inside. And in the beginning, we found using a popsicle stick helps just to kind of get it down, keeps your fingers cleaner, and it's easier to reach. You're going to keep adding cotton balls like that into your jar, spread out, until all of that color is absorbed. So you're going to keep packing to the point where you can kind of tip it and very little water is going to come out. That just helps keep your layers nice and clean. Once it's packed, go ahead and add your next color. And same thing, if you want to add glitter, you can. And you're just going to continue pulling apart and repeating these steps until your entire jar is full and you have your own nebula in a jar. For more online content, feel free to follow us on social media or to go to our website, hastingsmuseum.org. Thanks for watching.